Here I've got General Mobile JM5+D, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all apps and then go to the settings. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. Now you should select Reset. And here click on the first option, which is Network Settings Reset. So just click on it and just be aware that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and also Bluetooth. But if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to perform this reset, click on Reset Settings. You have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone. But if you truly want to do it, click Reset Settings. And that's it. As you can see, network settings have been reset. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.